Got blunt?
Got weed?
Dopest dope I've ever smoked. Hands down, dopest dope I've ever smoked, right?
That's some heavy shit, man.
Get it out. Shout at the rooftops. This is great. This is the bee's knees, item 9.
Well, around here, between Normandy and Weston, we call this here a little twin. Wow.
It feels good in my brain.
Oh, yeah, I'm Mr. Reggae Ambassador.
This is good shit.
Still have time, we might still get by. Every time I think about it, I want to
Thank you for watching another video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if it's your first time. And don't forget to ring that bell. We've been sent a random package to open. And we've been sent a lovely box from Bling Your Bud. Biggie. We will leave a link in the description to check them out on Instagram and their webpage. And we have a lovely golden nugget. Look at that lovely bud. Let's take a closer look at it. And it's actually a real bud, dipped in 24 karat gold. Comment top quality on any video for your chance to win the 3K subscriber giveaway goodie box. Comes with a little robe attached, but I think it would look better on a little gold chain. Thank you for watching another video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and check Bling Your Bud out. We'll leave links in the description to their page. Everybody stay safe and peace out.
There you go. Dude, your dog's a stoner.
What were we talking about?
This is grass. You mean marijuana? Yeah. Lord have mercy, is that what that is? Let me see that.
Say, man, you got a joint?
No, not on me, man.
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.